The following is a step-by-step guide to preparing and using DenteShield Surface Sealant. Step 1. Prophy the enamel surfaces. Be sure to use only oil-free prophy paste. Rinse thoroughly. Dry teeth with oil-free and moisture-free compressed air. Step 2. Etch using etching agent. Dispense or apply etching agent of choice, following related instructions. Step 3. Rinse. Rinse each tooth with copious amounts of water for 10 seconds to stop the etching process and to remove demineralization particles. Dry teeth thoroughly. Step 4. Apply surface sealant. With a brush, apply a thin uniform layer of sealant to the exposed labial tooth surface. If preferred, use an air gun to evenly spread the sealant. Step 5. Light cure each tooth for approximately 20 seconds. Curing times depend on the intensity of the curing light. We hope this guide was helpful.